We're here at Champion Hill Stadium, home of Dulwich Hamlets FC, to watch Dulwich Hamlets play Dartford, with some special guests coming along. These legends won free tickets to the match, and they're repping some awesome Octo kits that we provided for them for free earlier in the season.
We've got these new kits, and financially we have to get the money ourselves through fundraising and stuff. So to have free kits is massive just for the team. So it just saves people so much money as well. When they got the Octopus kits, they were absolutely buzzing about it. They couldn't wait to wear it. They wanted to wear it every single game.
Oh, I love the kit. It's amazing. We won, I think, 9-0 in this kit. It's just a beautiful kit.
Yeah, I love the little octopus. To have free kits, it's just amazing to have them.
What do we think the score's going to be?
I'm saying 2-0 Dulwich.
I think a good 1-1.
Big win?
Yeah.
Come on!
Thank you so much to Dulwich Hamlets for having us today. I hope you had a wonderful day. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah!